Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. Okay, let's see what's new. Okay, so we have the wind chimes. So this one looks like the round one, the square one. Aren't they pretty? This one is heart shaped. This one is a star. And then you have this shape. And then you have these welcome signs. Aren't they pretty? And I'm loving these flowers. So they have them in that color. And the yellow sunflower. Then they have these sprinkler stakes. That's the sunflower. And here's the windmill, the welcome one. This one is the lighter, and this one is the darker. I like these. Then they brought the fencing, and here's the watering cans and the knee foams. These are the temperature, the thermometer, and here is the garden flag. So that one says fresh lemon. I think they both say fresh lemon, and then they only have the green color of the plant hangers. Okay, and then they have these hooks, the butterfly ones, and the chains are back, the plant hanging chains. And then I'm loving these hooks. You can use them for you can use them for a lot of things. So there's the big one, and here are the little small ones. And then they have these, what do they call them, trellises? So they have them in that black now and in that green. And then these are the plant hangers that you stick in the ground. That's pretty cool. So here they have, these days seem to come back all the time, the metal hanging ones. So those are really nice for crafts. And this is the twist tie with the cutter. Okay, so they have those. And then they have the flexible tie. Then down here, the jute twine, they have it separate. The green, and then back there you have the burlap. These are the little stakes for the ground. I'm loving these. And then look at this one. Then you have the gardening tools and the shears. I love those shears. So then the planters, aren't they pretty? They're coming in so many different colors and shapes. So this is for hummingbird nectar, and here is the feeder, the hummingbird feeder. And these are the stones for the fairy garden, flowers in the garden of life. Then these up here are the gardening gloves, all the way to the end over there. Okay. So here they brought the pots back. So you have like it's a 3-compartment, like seating type of, what's it called? The stackable 3-tier planter. And it comes in the blue, the regular color, red for outside, and this beige. I like those. And these are really nice too. They have the wheels on the bottom. These are so nice. And I'm loving these planters because they already come with the hanging rope. And these are what those planters are looking like. Look, they even have a hunter green. So then I have these kind. And this one, this color. And then that beige color. Very nice. So they have these they brought back, and I'm really liking these. They're so nice. So here they have the smaller stones for the garden outside. And these are the flower pot huggers. So there's the ladybug, there's the owl, the bumblebee, the gnome, and these are the plant label stakes. So these come, what are that? 3 pots in this size, in this color, and then these are the seeds. Then these come 4, these are smaller, and these are the starter ones. You get quite a bit in these. Let me see. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many come in there. So these are the 3 ceramic ones, and then these are the seed starter pots, and then these are the seeds. And then they have these, the greenhouse seed starting. These are really nice, and so are these. Okay, I can't believe the assortment they have at this Dollar Tree. So they have the strawberry, the coneflower, the tomato, the sunflower. Here's basil, daisy, tomato, sunflower, coneflower, the impatiens, and So they have pepper, basil, oregano, radish, thyme, sage. I'll scan those. Look, they even have onion. So these are going quickly. So we come over here, they have this round circular table display, and this is what they have. So they have the frogs. Those are really cute. Then these are the gnomes. These are the mushrooms. Here are the gnomes. Let's go around. So I'm liking these containers. So they come in that gold, that silver, and here's the blue. And then this one says, "Be mine. Wine is my Valentine." Okay, and then they still have some of these earrings. Let's see what else is around here. There's the red ones along the bottom, and this is Bachelorette Bash. So here they have, I love these frames. They're shaped like cameras, so they have some of these, and I'm loving these. Okay, and that's pretty much it for here. I like these. We have some of these planters. I think I may get one of these. My other one really took a beating, so these are really nice. These are the stakes for the ground. And then they have these planters here. Those came back. Here's some more of these. Oh, and these plant clips. These are really nice. And you get a lot of them in there. You get 20 pieces. So those are really a good buy. Okay. Then over here we have some potting soil. And okay. Thank you guys for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what they're bringing out for the spring. And I'll see you in the next video.